you take a closer look at it and you will find that there is a slider right here and you can move it in both directions. And depending on where you move it, you will either move in the correct direction or you will hit a dead end. This is the Matchbox puzzle. It looks like a matchbox. It has a size of a matchbox and yet it's a fully functional puzzle box. It was designed by Drawing Crude from the Netherlands and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is obviously to open the puzzle box. If you like the Matchbox puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. So if you move it down here and then try to push the inner part out, after a couple of moves, you will hit a dead end and won't be able to move any further. So you have to put everything back to the starting position and move this slider up. Then you can remove the inner part a little bit, move the slider up again, remove this part a little bit more, but then you will see that you can't proceed since this piece doesn't move in any direction and this moves only back. So what you have to do here is to pull it out, not all the way, but something like that. And then you will be able to put this slider back inside and it will stick out on the other side. Now you pull out this part a little bit more. Then you move the slider again to the middle. Then you pull out this part and continue playing with the slider and the inner part of the box until you will be able to open it. So the puzzle is based on a maze. There is a maze on the back side of the inner part and you have to go through the maze in order to remove it from the box. You will say that, oh, you can remove the matches now, but actually the matches are not possible to remove until you fully open the box. So you have to go all the way in the maze up to the very end like that. And now you can remove the matches and reveal the hidden compartments. If you like the Matchbox puzzle and you want to try some other awesome puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.